Worm's Rainy Day Adventure. A Sunny Garden. One sunny morning, Sally woke up slowly under a leaf. He stretched his body and looked around.
Good morning, garden. I wonder what today will bring.
Sally meets Wally. Just then, Sally saw his wiggly friend Wally pop out of the soil and speak.
Hello, I'm Wally. Want to play?
Of course! Let's explore together.
The sky turned gray and raindrops fell. It starts to rain. But suddenly, drip, drop, splash, rain began to fall from the sky.
Oh no! My shell is slippery!
I love the rain. Let's play anyway.
Sally and Wally slid and splashed through puddles, giggling all the way.
The rain wasn't scary. It was fun. Yay! Ha 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 ha.
Sally says, "Let's find shelter." They dashed as fast as Sally and Wally can, under a mushroom. The rain stopped, and up above, a rainbow appeared, Wally says.
Whoa, so many colors.
A magical garden treat! It's look like a magic!
They wriggled and slid past colorful flowers, pebbles, and mushrooms. A butterfly fluttered by. Sally says,
Look at those wings! Beautiful!
Wow. Butterfly flowers, friend.
Sally and Wally meeting the ants. They stopped to watch a trail of ants carrying crumbs. Wally says,
They are so tiny but strong.
Teamwork makes them mighty!
They played hide and seek behind big garden leaves. Wally says,
Sally, you'll never find me.
Wally! Peekaboo! Ha 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 ha!
Sally and Wally sat to rest in sunlight, and Wally says,
Let's tell garden stories.
Yes, plan our next journey!
best friends forever. As the sun began to set, Sally says,
What a perfect day!
We'll explore again tomorrow. Sally, bye.
Goodbye, Wally.
So, kids' end of the story. Sally and Wally became the best of garden friends. Bye-bye, little explorers. See you next time.